Welcome back to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you find a useful content in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to Device Help and Support. Today we are going to share a new video with you, which is to reset the Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater. In this video we will learn to reset the repeater in easy way or why it is necessary to reset. Watch the video from the beginning till the end so that you do not miss any point. First of all, we will discuss why it is necessary to reset Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater and what problems can be solved by resetting it. Resetting the Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater is helpful when facing connection issues, slow speeds, or frequent disconnections. It restores the device to its factory settings, clearing any incorrect configurations or network conflicts. If you forget your repeater's Wi-Fi name or admin password, a reset allows you to set it up again from scratch. So let's start the process. Plug the Asus RP-AX58 into a power outlet. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the device fully boots up and the LED indicators stabilize. The stable LED means your repeater is turned on. Now find the reset button on the Asus AX58. The reset button is a small pinhole located on the side of the repeater. You will need a paperclip, SIM ejector pin, or a small pointed object to press it. If this channel provides you with informative videos, then don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Now insert the paperclip into the reset hole. Press and hold the button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. The LED indicator will start blinking rapidly or turn off and then back on, indicating the reset process has started. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the button. The Asus AX58 repeater will now restart automatically. Wait for the LEDs to stabilize again. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once the reset is complete, the repeater will return to its default settings. You need to set it up again by connecting to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network. Visiting Asus Office site repeater.asus.com in a web browser. Following the on-screen instructions to reconnect it to your main Wi-Fi network. You can also check our previous videos. We have also made a detailed video on the setup. Now reset process is complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, feel free to ask our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you through the reset process. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Devices Help and Support. And stay tuned for the more updates.